Kristi Noem, a Trump VP contender, defends bleep dog on family farm. Reuters. Kristi Noem, a contender to become Republican Donald Trump vice presidential running mate, defended herself on Friday against Democratic attacks over her account of bleeping a dog on her family farm. Noem, the governor of South Dakota, describes bleep an untrainable dog called Cricket which she hates in an upcoming memoir, excerpts of which were first published by The Guardian on Friday. Noem said the dog ruined a hunt and later attacked chickens owned by a local family, behaved like a ... Below are your comments. I realized I had to put her, the dog, down, Noem writes. What she was unable to realize, there were other options. Make sure to get out and vote. Make your voices heard in 2024. Maybe rehome the dog, if it wasn't a hunter and it wasn't good to have on a farm. We did that for a dog, it just needed a different environment. Please subscribe to my channel. And if you like it, please thumbs up.